Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video we are going to learn how we can make the Google Drive link public. So for that we have to just go to our Google Drive over here, and once we are over here we have to just click on this we have to just go to this particular thing, and over here we have to just click on the three dots over here, and we have to after that click on manage access. And you can see over here that the access will be just restricted. So in order to just change it, we have to click on change and then click on restrict, and you can see over here that there's an option for anyone with the link. We have to click on that, and you can see over here that there are another option which you can see over viewer, commenter or editor. Means you can just allow the post to just view, comment or edit also. I'm just going to go over viewer, and after that we have to just click the link over here, and then we have to go and just paste it somewhere where we want to. Like I'm just going to go over Snapchat over here, and after that we are just going to give a over paste that particular link. And that's all for this video. I hope this video was a great help to you. If you find this video helpful, please do share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.